Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to schedule job without Cron using different options. Chapter 1. Schedule job in Linux using sleep loop. To begin, open the terminal. Then execute the command you see on the screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. In this syntax, you will indicate the necessary parameters of execution of the task. It then opens the path where the file was created. You can open it to view the created content. Chapter 2. Schedule job in Linux using systemd. To begin, open the terminal. You are going to create the timer unit with the desired name using the command syntax you see on the screen. Enter the administrator password. When you have the file available, enter the information you see on the screen. Save changes using the Ctrl+O keys, and then you can exit the editor using Ctrl+X's. After this, run the on-screen command to create the service using the editor you want. When creating the file, enter the content that Solvetic indicates with the path of the command or script. Save changes using the Ctrl+O keys, and then you can exit the editor using Ctrl+X's. Once you have done this, you will enable the service with the command on the screen. After this, you will start the services using the command you see in the Start terminal. Chapter 3. Schedule job in Linux using Anacron. To begin, open the terminal. Let's install Anacron with the command sudo apt install. Then you will access the Anacron edit file with the on-screen command. Note that you can create your own file if you wish. In the content of the file that you can see, you will go to the final part, and there you will add the line with the task to use. Finally, save the changes using the Ctrl+O keys, and then you can exit the editor using Ctrl+X's. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.